What's up guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise out here in Bali right now, and I want to talk to you about how to get a seller's permit when you begin your high ticket dropshipping business. Getting a seller's permit is something that's required for any store, but it really depends on the state that you're located in, that your business is located in, okay? So if your state charges a sales tax, then you're going to need to get a seller's permit, and usually suppliers are also going to ask for seller's permits when you apply for an account with them. A seller's permit is usually pretty simple. You'll just need to get your business information in order and then go to the actual state income tax board website of that particular state that you're in and actually fill out the application. Some states charge some money, some states it's free. And that whole process is pretty simple. Usually it takes about a week or so to get your seller's permit back to you. And from there, you'll be all set. You can send that seller's permit to your suppliers and get the accounts with them. So every state differs. And the ones that I've used in the past, I've had a seller's permit in California where it's free, but they have, an application to fill out, of course. And I have a seller's permit in Wyoming that actually charged $60. So it really does vary state by state. And some states don't even have seller's permits. All you need for your suppliers in that case would be like an EIN, okay? So I have a whole blog article that explains what you need for every single state, as well as links to that particular state for which you can fill out the application for your seller's permit. So if you are looking for this information, click the link below, go to the blog article, or if you're on the blog article already watching this video, scroll down and you'll see the state and you can just click the link. And if there's no link, of course, then that pretty much means your state doesn't require a seller's permit. And if you just need any more information, I would just recommend Googling, type in your state and then the word seller's permit, and usually you'll find enough information to get you going in the right direction there. Okay guys, if you have any questions specifically about a specific case study that you have, you can comment them below in the video on YouTube and I'm happy to help, or comment them below on the blog post. Thanks so much for tuning in guys. I hope that you're able to find your seller's permit and get your high ticket dropshipping store going, and I look forward to helping you in future episodes. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and see you next time.